Imagine publishing a children's book without writing a single page or drawing a single picture. Sounds impossible? Not in 2025. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT and image generators like MidJourney or Leonardo AI, you can now create and publish full children's books in just a few hours. Here's how this works. Step 1. Pick a children's book idea. Think of simple, meaningful stories, bedtime tales, animal adventures, moral lessons, or even alphabet learning books. Step 2. Write the story using AI Open ChatGPT and prompt it with, write a 10-page children's story for ages 3 to 6 about a rabbit who learns kindness. Step 3. Generate illustrations. Use MidJourney, Leonardo AI, or DALL to create colorful illustrations that match each scene. Make sure they're cute, child-friendly, and consistent in style. Step 4. Design your book. Use free tools like Canva or BookBolt to arrange your text and images into proper children's book format. Don't forget the cover, it matters. Step 5. Publish with Amazon KDP. Amazon prints and ships the book when someone orders. You don't handle inventory. You just earn royalties on every sale. Some creators are making $500 to $3,000 per month from a few well-made books. The key? Niche down, make quality, market well. This is creativity plus AI plus passive income, all in one hustle. Subscribe to The Inner Light for smart, silent hustle strategies that actually work.